Well, here we are at the cruise terminal. We're just about to head off on a 2-night cruise on the Genting Dream. Should be fun. Yeah, it's just over there. Let's go. All right, well, here's the cruise ship we're going on. Have a look at the size of it. Can't even fit it all in. It's got water slides on the top and everything. Woohoo! Oh God, we are right at the end. Look at this hallway. We're like right at the other end. Ah, God. Okay, we got 15th floor, room 596. Here we go. Hey, check this out. Oh boy, it's not a cabin pressure. This is our room. There's 3 of us here, 3 of us. Shower and toilet. That's pretty spacious. That looks good. Got a cupboard there. Got a king size. Oh no, it's pretty big. Got the TV. And out here we've got the balcony. Our own little private balcony. Sweet, huh? How good's this? Yeah. Hello, ocean. Look at this. Look at our neighbours. They got a really nice suite. They got the corner one with a big balcony. There we go. There's a couple of different countries.
Sentosa.
Oh, Sentosa Island. That's Singapore. Yeah, not sure what that one is. But the ones in the background, that'd be either Indonesia or Malaysia. But these are all the ships lined up to whatever. Cargo ships. Cool, huh? Whoa, ho, ho. Look, there's the city of Singapore over there. Here's the water slides. There's one that goes right up there. Right up there. We got the pools. Wow. This is so cool, man. This is so cool. Oh my God, what's that? Oh, we found some.
But it doesn't have that frosty glaze.
Cinnamon scrolls. They got cakes here. This is all $2 though. Oh God, I hate paying for things, so I'm not going to. Whoa, have a look at this. Look at this ham and cheese. Oh, yum. Look at this roast beef sandwich. Oh my God. So some of the buffet here, they got salad. They got like pizza and chips, and they got all this other stuff. So it's time to sit down for dinner. Buffet style.
Our view for dinner.
Our view for dinner tonight. Pretty good, huh? So we're at a show on the boat now. Some guy's bouncing on his head. Oh my God, what's he doing? He's gonna bounce on his head. No, that's gonna hurt. Oh, Jesus. Well, it's the first morning. The motors are going, and we're somewhere in between Malaysia and Indonesia. There's a few boats out. Mainly cargo ships. There's a couple of little fishing boats as well. But there's no land to be seen anywhere. Cool, huh? Well, there's a little fishing boat just sticking its head out. Just open ocean. Yep, I'm a sailor, peeps. I'm a sailor. So we just did this obstacle course, which is pretty cool, and they have this zip line which goes right over the boat. Yeah, it's a lot of fun.
Just one more and you're done.
It's breakfast time.
One coffee or tea or oranges.
Buns. an ocean view. Oh, they're doing some training for the shows. We watched the show last night. Well, these they're mainly like Russians. It looks like a Ukrainian, but oh mate, it was good. Well, I didn't actually take too much footage, did I? I was just too busy, you know, eating, having fun, and just relaxing. And it was a bit hard just to carry the camera around anyway. So it was a good time had by all, and I'm really looking forward to the next one. Well, that's about it, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.